Rising time is 8:40. We are back on the Bojangles Terrace this morning with our Rising Spotlight. Mitchener Law has opened a new firm, and they are specializing specifically in personal injury. Joining me here this morning, we have Vic Mitchener and Joseph Downer, the partners at Mitchener Law. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
So let's kind of start at the beginning here, because you guys have been doing law in Charlotte for over 40 years, I think since, what, 1979?
Right.
So why now to do this specifically?
Well, partly because the building where we were that site was redeveloped, so we had to move. So John Walters, Joe Downer, and myself have started a new firm, but it's really just down the street, half a block down, 521 East Moorhead Street. We're called Mitchener Law.
Now, if somebody gets in an accident, right, and it might have been a long time since that's happened to them, what are the things that they should do right out of the gate?
Well, the first thing you need to do is call the police, even if it's a small accident. A lot of people think that if you just exchange information, everything's going to be okay.
Yeah, this is a fender bender.
Yeah, the other people say it's their fault, but oftentimes later the stories change. So get things documented. Go ahead and get a police officer out there and get it recorded. That's the first thing to do.
Okay, and what would you advise next?
Everybody has cell phones nowadays. One of the best things you can do is take your cell phone, if you're able, get out and take pictures. Take pictures of the damage to your car. Take pictures of the damage to the other car. Take pictures of the scene, the street signs, anything that you can take a photograph of. Things like that are invaluable down the road. Also, look for witnesses. Somebody may have seen it. If somebody comes up, gives you a business card, I saw this, try and get their name, their phone number, anything that you can do that might give information down the road that you may need.
How do you know that you may have a case? How do you go about that?
Well, the best thing to do is just call an experienced attorney. We give free consultations. Anyone can call us anytime to ask questions. It never costs a cent. We answer the phone at the office during office hours. After office hours, the phone rings and a human will answer. It rings on my cell phone right now. So anyone can call us 24/7.
So wait a second.
I'm serious.
We got to finish this interview.
You might not should have said that.
So is it different depending on what side of the accident you're on?
You know, everybody should report the accident to their insurance company, regardless of fault. Most policies require, when you're involved in an accident, that you have to call your insurance company to let them know whether you're at fault or not. And then I wouldn't talk to any other insurance company after reporting until you get some advice from somebody.
Now, have you found in your experience, is it tougher for folks that have been in an accident dealing with the insurance companies right now?
Yes, I think so. It's better to get some help. Nowadays, it's really tough to get in touch with the insurance representatives. They're all short-staffed. They laid people off during the first lockdown when there weren't many accidents, and they haven't restaffed. And so it's very difficult to get in touch, but we can do that. It's also difficult to get police reports. Under the new procedures with the Charlotte Police, you have to get your police report from the DMV website. We can do that for people.
And also, don't forget, insurance companies have attorneys, they have adjusters, they have all these people that are in essence working against you. You need somebody working on your side, and that would be us.
All right, and how do they get a hold of you and call your cell phone right after we finish this
Call
up?
our main phone number, 704-719-9080, and if the office isn't open, I'll answer it on my cell phone. We can be reached on the web at mitchenerlaw.com.
All right, Vic, Joseph, we appreciate the time here this morning. We'll also have that linked up at WCCBcharlotte.com.
Right.
It's one of those services that you don't want to have to use, but then when you need it, you need the right guys.
We're there.
Exactly.
Thank you.